Hiker follows strange noises inside dark mine shaft. Freezes when he sees two eyes. Earlier this month, Preston Glad was hiking in the Beaver Creek area of Fairplay in central Colorado when he heard growling sounds coming from deep inside an animal mine shaft. He thought it was a wild animal and continued on his way, but those sounds kept nagging at him. Over a week later, he returned to the area and heard the sounds again. But this time, what had once been indistinguishable growls had morphed into cries of distress. I went into the mine with my headlamp on. I saw that there was a dog in the shaft that went straight down about 25 feet, he recalled. I knew I couldn't get down there myself. Preston went back home and soon returned to the mine with his girlfriend, Portia Scovern, and his roommate, Gannon Ingalls. Portia and Gannon lowered Preston 25 feet down to the bottom of the abandoned mine. When the dog saw us looking down into the shaft, she was so happy. She was running around, he said. When I actually got down into the shaft, she was trying to climb up me. She was definitely really happy to see me down there. After securing her in a harness, Portia and Gannon lifted her back to solid ground. There she gobbled down some kibble and drank thirstily from a bowl of fresh water. Off she went to the vet, who, rather incredibly, found no significant injuries. The trio then took her home, where she received some much-needed pampering, including a bath. The dog, whose name is Cheyenne, wasn't microchipped, but Portia posted the video of her rescue on Facebook, asking everyone to spread the word. Thanks to the power of social media, Cheyenne's owner got in touch the very next day. According to Preston, Cheyenne had likely been missing for 2 weeks after running off and disappearing on October 4th. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories, jojostories.com.